All right, Noir, PYT 32. PYT 32 of Noir. Next Noir is going to be a fresh case. We're going to do that case. I think we're down to like 13 left there. Let's try to get a tick tenders and a one-on-one off tonight. Tomorrow we'll probably focus on that Prism full case, depending on what time it gets tonight. But I do want to get some of those cases up. Like Optic, you said he was hot with Optic last night, so maybe we have some hot cases of Optic. All right. Good luck. Thank you for the kill, Ryan. Come on. Come on. Sit a monster. All right. We have Jeremy Grant, 67 of 99 for the Pistons. Jeremy Grant. Jaylen Brown, 17 of 35. Ooh. All right. Just an out of nowhere big card coming up here. Like literally. We like out of nowhere. What's up, KX? How you doing? Like an out of nowhere big card. How about 2 of 5 of Scotty Barnes for Ryan B? That's an out of nowhere. I didn't see that one even coming until I looked up. That's nasty. That's nice. That's clean too. That's clean. Keep those corners clean. Nice. I'll throw that on your pile. That's actually, yeah. That's actually like a very sneaky big card. It's crazy. Suggs and Kispert, 44.99. Magic and Wiz. Run 4 and Ryan B. That'll be a random. Random that at the end. Yeah, that was like an out of nowhere one, Ryan. I was like, oh, I look up, I saw 2 out of 5. I was like, I wasn't even looking to see anything. 36 and 99. Obi Toppin. No stopping Obi Toppin. We have one more case of this. We're going to do that tonight. And go from there. 98 and 99. Kristaps. Porzingis. $19 of 25. Tony Allen. Great defensive player. I just don't like how many threes Atlanta makes, you know. Robinson Earl, 85 and 99. Robinson Earl. That's cool. It's a cool card here. Need to open up more of these. It's going to... Ooh. All right, how about how about a PC piece here? Reigning Knight Signatures Hollow Gold of Chris Middleton. Cardboard King. Chris Middleton Gold. For the Bucks. Nice. That's a nice PC card for cardboard. We have a sneaker spotlight. 47 and 99. Trae Young. Trae Young for Iggy. There you go, Iggy. Nice Trae Young sneaker. Yeah, I mean, I'm rooting for him, just not tonight. Just not tonight. Very nice, Trae. Nice Trae Young, Iggy. All right, box number 2. Box number 2. Let's see what we got in here. Come on. Come on. I know, yeah. Thick box and didn't want to come out. Thick box didn't want to come out. The hell are you passing the ball? Dumbass. I hate turnovers. Domantas Sabonis. 5 of 99. For the Pacers on the Sabonis. Nice. James Harden, 21 of 30. I mean, Luka Doncic, 21 of 35 for the Mavs and Glory. It's a nice low number, Luka. Tyrus Maxey, 1/35. It's actually sneaky good cards in here. Yeah, I got the Eagle. I got the Chiefs. I mean, I got the Chiefs. 21/25. Wagner. Nice jersey pieces in some of these. I swear they're going to be lower numbered and they're not. Like this one here's a napkin. It's a napkin that Balraj would rub his nose on here. 42/99. Austin Reeves. Jumbo patch. And we have 41/99. Jaden Springer for the Sixers. More PCPs for Cardboard King. Marquise Johnson, 12/99. 12/99. I know I couldn't I might change my mind 10 times, by the way. You know, what's good, Nathan? Trey Murphy, 75/99. Nice patches there. Nice patches on the Murphy. For the Pelicans, Komaba. And we have a nice here. Halliburton for the Kings. 41/49 on the Halliburton. Still in the Kings on this one, guys. Kings, Cardboard King. Nice. God, I hate Atlanta right now. Spotlight Signatures Horizontal. Spotlight Signatures Horizontal of Scotty Barnes for Toronto. Ryan B. Spotlight Signatures Horizontal. There you go. Nice Scotty. Nice Scotty break. I'll beat the sort both of those. Nice. Very nice hit. Hell yeah. Spotlight Signatures Horizontal. Horizontal. All right, let's recap that. We have one random to do, guys. We can get into our next one. It is a fresh case. Next one is the fresh case. Nice Murphy there. Nice. Had a nice King. A couple of the nice low-numbered bases. Middleton Gold. Tony Allen. Kristaps. Jaylen Brown. Got a Trae Young sneaker spotlight. Let's have the next case have multiple ones. Scotty Barnes 205 and a Scotty Barnes Spotlight Signatures Horizontal. All right, Suggs and Kispert. Suggs and Kispert. All right, dice roll. There's a 4. Suggs. Kispert. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Magic, get it. As a break, thank you for joining.